Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a vintage vibe photo edit on EPIK photo editor. So here I've already on EPIK, and to create the vintage vibe photo, you can just click on template and search for the vintage templates that will make your edit easier. So here just click on the search column and click on vintage like this and click on enter, and now you can see there are lots of vintage vibe photo that you can you can use. So I'm going to just use this one because this is hot right now on EPIK. So I'm going to click on use and just choose the photo that you want to edit. For example, I want to use this photo right here. Okay, so just wait and you can just go along with the template. Okay, now the template has been created, and now we can just click on the arrow down to save your photo. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can add a vintage you can edit the vintage 5 photo on EPIK. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, click on thanks, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.